Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Is a plant-based diet actually healthy? With all the buzz around going plant-based, it's easy to wonder if it's just another trend. But here's the deal, going plant-based is not just a trend, it's the healthiest choice you can make for your body and the planet. Stick around because I'm about to reveal some shocking facts that might just change the way you look at your plate. So, let's be real, when you hear plant-based diet, you might picture bland salads or think, how can cutting out meat possibly be healthy? It's a common concern, especially with all the conflicting information out there. Some people worry about getting enough protein, iron, or other nutrients, while others think they'll miss out on the satisfaction of their meals. These are valid questions, and today, we're going to tackle them head-on. Let's find out if a plant-based diet really stacks up when it comes to health. Alright, let's dig into the facts. Research shows that a well-balanced plant-based diet is incredibly nutritious and can actually provide all the essential nutrients your body needs. We're talking about fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that you get from a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. But here's something shocking. Did you know that people on plant-based diets tend to have lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers? That's because plant-based diets are typically lower in saturated fats and higher in fiber, which promotes a healthy heart and digestive system. Studies have shown that going plant-based can actually reverse some chronic diseases. Yep, you heard that right. By cutting out animal products and focusing on whole, plant-based foods, some people have not only stopped the progression of diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes but have actually seen them reverse. This isn't just about eating healthier, it's about making a choice that can truly transform your life and even extend it. The science is clear, a plant-based diet is more than just healthy, it's life-changing. So, what's the takeaway? A plant-based diet isn't just a passing trend, it's one of the healthiest choices you can make. From reducing the risk of chronic diseases to improving overall wellness, the benefits are undeniable. Whether you're looking to feel better, live longer, or do your part for the planet, going plant-based is a powerful way to make a positive impact. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried a plant-based diet, or are you thinking about making the switch? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into plant-based living, be sure to check out the link in the description for some awesome resources to get you started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.